So just started to take these out. Okay, forgot about one of them, missed it. Already I need my both hands. Okay, here we are. Okay, this is what we have right now. It's really clean. And there's a bolt down there, actually, right here, which I need to take off so I can remove this whole top part, and I have to take off this the housing for the oil filter or the hydraulic fluid filter, which is I believe it's an Allen, yes. So I need to remove that. And then what else? I need to remove I believe there is a sleeve down here. Yes, there's a sleeve. And there are 4 bolts here gonna come off. This gonna come off. And I make my way through. I already removed 2 of the bolts. Just a couple of taps, this came off. Here's this sleeve. Okay, not bad. I can put this in here also. It's just one piece. Now getting to this last one down here. Already. This is ready to come out. Okay, going to take it, to my bench. I noticed this one came out. I said, geez, I broke the level indicator. And then I checked inside, and I do have my level indicator intact. So probably at some point, the previous owner or owners had this broken and fell inside and never could catch it. And it was just hovering inside. So as you can see here, you see that pin? Let me just zoom in. This side is sheared off, and the piece is somewhere inside. I have to separate these 2 pieces. I have to also remove these bolts around it. So I'm gonna start from the outside. I'm gonna make my way inside. This was actually sheared off. Interesting. This was just sitting there. Interesting. Okay, so I had to take all the bolts out, and this has separated. There's a spring here which is connected to a cone. Just gonna take it out and put it in here. These pins were sitting in here, so there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these pins, like roller pins, sitting on this side. So this is not our concern right now, and I'm gonna inspect them later, but right now I want to get to the core issue that we had. This is not that bad. There's some scoring on it, but it's not really that bad. And there was this little roller pin which I took out from here, and just gonna make it upside down to whatever oil is comes out. I just don't want it to drip constantly. Come out, and then I'm gonna clean it. I don't want to damage the o-ring, so I want to take it out so I could manage to separate them. Actually, that universal joint gave me a hard time. Nonetheless, this is separated. So now I don't want to take these pistons out, but I'm sure they're gonna fall out. And if they fall out, they have to go back to the exact same hole that they came out from. So I thought about making a reference point, and then from there I just take them out in order and put them back in the same order. So this is the notch here, and I'm afraid they're gonna fall off. Okay, so this is for just take this off. Paper towel. So these are within the order. Effective. This top one is lining with that. So this is lining. Actually, I have to. This is the one, and this is the one. So from right to left starts from here and goes around to this one. This is the last one, and that is the first one. So I took it off, and sure enough, the pin is sheared off. So that's the pin which, when I was pressing the pedal back and forth, this hardened pin was sitting here and sheared off. So finally I could get the universal joint off. Took me a bit, but I made it work. So this is another set of thrust bearing. The way it was sitting was, this is the thick one, and then the needle bearing, and then the other thrust side. So this was sitting like this. So the thick one was down, the thin was up, within the same orientation I have here. And I'm gonna put these two in a separate bucket so I don't lose the track of it. This side I just gonna clean it up, like brake clean it, and then this is shot. I need to get a seal for this. It's pretty banged up. I believe when I was trying to take the universal joint out, I have damaged it. So yeah, put some number on this side. Gosh.